Yannick, it's a delight to be with you today, and we've known each other for a long time, and we've got a great topic that we're going to be talking about, which is leading complex industrial transformations. Mm-hmm. So as we dive into that topic, kind of why do you want to focus on that?
Well, John, it's good to be with you. Was looking forward to that conversation. Why having a conversation about complex industrial transformation? I think it's a topic which is very important right now. There is a lot of things changing in the world, certainly globalization, but also shifting globalization. There is an acceleration in technology trends, and there is a lot of disruption in technology and a lot of innovation going on. And companies cannot stand still. They have to adapt, evolve. And every company, like every person, is in a different stage, in a different place. And depending on where they are in their evolutions, they will have to, at times, just have little evolution steps, especially if they are already at the forefront of technology and innovation. But at times they have more radical transformations to do, which is more revolution than evolution. And those transformation can be quite disruptive. So we'll talk more about what are complex industrial transformations, but this is something I talk a lot about with our clients and prospective clients. They are industrial companies, they are facing a lot of change, and at times the change is so significant that we talk about transformations.